Ready to tour Tombstone, Arizona. Oh. There's the Birdcage Theater. It's the only original building left in the town. The rest of the town burnt down back in the late 1800s. So we'll walk down the street here a little bit. Walk out into the street. Hotel General Store. Go over and look at the Birdcage Theater. Ghost tours. I'd like to take the ghost tour, but I don't think I'll do that.
This one just like, they had a good scene, a good long scene in the birthday here. And then at the end of that scene, when the Earths are walking with their wives across the street, they came out and they're just talking. Morgan's talking about seeing a light when you're dying and all that stuff. Look in the back.
Here's the stagecoach.
Working for a big red van.
Stagecoach is coming by. How you doing?
So far, so good.
How much is the self-guided tour? Is it
15 plus tax, so
15?
it's like $16.50, yeah, with the tax.
okay?
Hey, it's not too bad. I mean, here you can stay all day and take pictures all day if you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Most everything else, if you got a little show and then it's over. Yeah, so.
Where does the tour go? You go all through the theater?
Through this entire building.
How big is the theater?
All the way back to the
Okay.
Then you got to go
I'll
downstairs.
get you one.
You go downstairs to the poker room, and then that's where they played that longest game in the West.
Well, maybe next time.
Okay.
dirt road. I think there's a real road underneath it, because when I came through here back, I know it makes me sound old, but 50 years ago, you could drive up the street here and park on the street. And there was hardly any tourists too. So I think the real road is underneath here. Coolest store in town.
Heck yeah, you got it.
Can I film it?
Yeah, man, have at it.
Tools of the trade.
That's it, my friend.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, man, we have a good time in here.
Are they new tools or are they old
No,
tools?
no, I just pick them up wherever I can get them.
Wherever you can find them, sort of thing?
Wherever I can
I do
find
that with masonry tools. I do masonry work, so whenever I can find something just laying around somewhere at a swap meet or a yard sale. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna see what time it is.
Yeah, we got time for one drink.
One drink, and then we gotta see that one. Come over here and stand.
You took my hat. I'm not with you.
I think I'm going to end this here. It's a little too windy and too many tourists. Oh, I'm going to shut it off now. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.